Now, in the 2022 FIFA World Cup, Africa reached the semi-finals for the first time in the history of the global football competition. This courtesy of the Atlas Lions Morocco national football team. The ripple effect of this tremendous achievement is a boost to the Morocco Sport Tourism Sector, which has been on an upward trajectory since 1983, when the country hosted the Mediterranean Games. Tonight, we premiere our two-part series, the Sights and Sounds of Morocco, with a focus on the sports tourism.
From Casablanca to Marrakesh, Agadir to Rabat, Fez and Ifran. Morocco's investment to the success of Moroccan football teams cannot be ignored, more so with ultra-modern sports facilities. This is a $70 million world-class Mohammed VI football sports complex, which was unveiled in 2019. The complex, situated close to the country's political and governance capital, Rabat, covers 30 hectares, boasts of world-class pitches and largest facilities, and the modern complex is ranked as one of the largest and best globally. The complex has 66 rooms and 4 suites saved for the Atlas Lions, the national football team. It can also house the under-23 and under-17 teams in a 230-bed capacity dormitory and additional 54 rooms. Despite being a reference to many, the complex is not the only outstanding sports facility. Rabat City has training pitches and playgrounds located even along the highways. With a soft atmosphere and beautiful air, Ifran, a sports capital in Morocco, is home for relaxation. Ifran, not so far from Fez, is largely surrounded by cedar and holm oak forests, an ideal place for hiking and also skiing owing to the weather patterns in this part of Africa. Water sports, camel riding and golfing are among the sports one can partake while in Morocco. Nevertheless, football remains the most popular sport in the Kingdom of Morocco. Morocco continually hosts a number of continental competitions with the AFCON 2025 bid in place.
So Morocco, as you have seen during your visit, is already ready to host international and continental competition.
On a proposed 6 stadia, among them Casablanca's Mohammed V Sports Complex with a seating capacity of 45,000, Rabat Moulay Abdallah Complex with a 53,000 seating capacity, Grand Stade Marrakesh with a seating capacity of 45,240, Agadir Stade Adrar with a capacity of 45,480 seats, and Grand Stade Fez with a seating capacity of 37,000. Algeria, South Africa, Zambia and a joint Benin-Nigeria bid are also in the run to replace Guinea as hosts of the 2025 event.